Let's make a high protein breakfast that you can reheat all week. Freezer breakfast tacos. Now these are going to be great for busy mornings. They are diabetes friendly and also kid friendly. You'll need eggs, turkey sausage, refried beans, tortillas, tater tots, shredded cheese, and a little milk, salt, pepper, and optional cilantro for flavor. Cook the tater tots according to package instructions. And while that's going on in a large skillet, go ahead and brown your sausage and making sure that it crumbles. My local store was out, so I ended up getting fully cooked turkey sausage. Go ahead and add a little bit of avocado oil to your skillet or whatever you use, but be sure to spread that around. I forgot to do that before I put in the first egg. Go ahead and add the rest of the eggs to the skillet, and while you cook, feel free to whisk them a little bit or just stir them around. Some people like to whisk in a little bit of milk, about 2 tablespoons or so, and then you're going to season it however you'd like. Continue cooking until it's thickened. Go ahead and set that aside. I went ahead and chopped my cilantro next. The tater tots should be good at this point. You can use any can of refried beans. These are the ones I had on hand. I love the taste of these. Now it's assembly time. Go ahead and spread the beans down the center of the tortilla, top with some tater tots, some sausage, eggs, a little bit of cheese and cilantro, and then you're going to fold in the opposite sides, roll it up burrito style. And then you're going to do that a million more times, or about 11 to be exact. I love to have these in the morning as an option, even if I didn't plan to have it. Sometimes life just happens and it's super helpful to have something like this on hand. I put it in the microwave for about 2.5 minutes or until heated through. If you prefer to bake them, you can do that when they're still in the foil. I'd place it in a 350-degree oven and bake for about 15 minutes or so. These have about 21 grams of protein. They are super satisfying. Pair them with some fruit for some added fiber and hydration, and you're out the door in minutes. Make a batch of these on Sunday, and you will thank yourself every morning this week. And then you're going to serve immediately. Enjoy!